Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be doing a unboxing. I will be unboxing the Wet n Wild Peanuts PR box. This is my first little week of Vlogmas. I've been posting on my regular scheduled days, but I wanted to do the week up until Christmas. So every day this week I will be dropping a video. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you have your post notification bell on so you don't miss anything either. Now let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so before we actually get into this video, can we take a moment to recognize and notice and acknowledge my skin? My skin looks really good today, guys. With winter coming, I had to change up my skincare routine, and I wanted to put out a skincare routine video because as you guys know, I have dry skin, dry to normal skin. So I started getting like little dry patches here and all of that. So my skin looks really healthy. I don't have any makeup on. I just have lashes on and I filled in my brows. I didn't even conceal them. And I think this is the first time you guys have seen my natural hair in like forever, and it has grown. It is growing. So yeah. Now that I'm through rambling, okay, let's get out all of that. This is the Peanuts PR box. This is what it looks like. I purchased this from Ulta. I think maybe it was during their Black Friday sale. I'm not really sure, but I purchased this from Ulta. I know that's where I got it from, and it was on sale. Because of course, you know, I ain't on nobody PR list yet. But I mean, well, if y'all want to send me something, y'all want to put me on the list, I will take it gladly because I love makeup. And so it comes with a bunch of different goodies. This is what it looks like when you first open it. And then this is the inside, how everything is packaged. And so I'm going to read what it says on the inside. First of all, how many of y'all watched, you know, the Charlie Brown Christmas? I mean, I feel like that's a tradition. If you hadn't seen Charlie Brown, the Peanuts Christmas, go watch it. Google it, look it up on Netflix, Hulu, whatever streaming platform you have. I'm pretty sure it's probably on Disney Plus as well. And go watch Charlie Brown Christmas. Like, it is the sweetest cartoon movie that you can watch. And I mean, it has so many meanings and so much value to it. I mean, I feel like it's the perfect, one of the perfect Christmas movies. Like, if you have a list of Christmas movies that you have to watch, add Charlie Brown Christmas to it. Okay, so it says, celebrate the gift of giving with Peanuts. Snoopy and the Peanuts gang bring you festive cheer in eye, cheek, and lip colors, convenient skincare and accessories for face and nails that will make you ha-ha and hee-hee with Christmas glee. So I hate to even take it apart because the packaging is so cute, y'all. I mean, it's just so adorable to me. So I'm gonna try to like take it apart in a way that I can actually put it back together, because I am above for, you know, organization and neatness, and I do not like for stuff to be all jumbled up. So this is what the first layer looks like that I just took out. And we have here a limited edition eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take it out of here so you guys can see it. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I can open it maybe. Y'all know, if y'all been watching this channel, y'all know I be struggling when it comes to opening up products. But, okay, that wasn't too bad. And these are the colors. They have the names of each color on the back. So you have Peppermint Patty, Needs Sugar, Christmas Queen, Ice Skating, Good Grief, Twinkling Lights. I mean, some of the cutest little names. But it looks like a palette with some shimmers in it, as well as some matte shades. And I like the fact that they have the characters on here as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but here they have Snoopy, and then they have Charlie Brown there, and they have a Christmas gift here. And so, you know, they have different little characters on there. I'm not sure if y'all can see those or not, so I think that's really pretty and unique. We're not putting on makeup today, so, or I'm not putting on. You know, I may test something out just to see what it looks like, but I don't plan on putting on any makeup today. Okay, so then here we have the Good Grief Proof Water Liquid Eyeliner, which is right on time because my liquid eyeliner that I've been using in my videos, the top popped off of it, and I just, you know, thought that it was just an extra little piece. I didn't think that it was anything serious. So I just snapped the other lid back on it, and then I tried to use it and it was dried out. So this is right on time because I am currently out of liquid eyeliner. But look how pretty that packaging is. It's so cute. If I can get the camera to focus in. And then they sent over, what is this? This is a 4 quad. This is a highlighter and blush, and let me tell you, these highlighter shades are really bright from what I can see. Let me see if I can do some swatches for you guys. But this is what it looks like here, and the names on the back of it are Christmas Cookie, it's Golden Retriever, Icy Glow, and Smack. And it also has the characters on the inside of it as well. So I want to swatch this gold because y'all know I love a gold highlight. That's what it's looking like. Let's see here. It's a nice little subtle glow. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So that's cool. I like subtle. Y'all know we like to keep all things natural around here. So that is probably, let me see. What's the other one? Let's try Icy Glow too. Icy Glow looks like it's gonna be an icy glow. Like it looks like it's gonna be way more pigmented. So it's got the iridescent vibe going. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it has the iridescent vibe going. So I like that too, you know. So okay, that's something if I want to be extra, you know, I want to be real extra. Here we got a lipstick, and trying to see the name of it. There may not be a name. Oh, Santa Snoopy. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry if like some of the products aren't focusing in, but I hope you guys can see that. It's also a red lipstick. So looks like it may have it's red with gold in it. I'm sure you guys probably can't see that, but it has gold in it. So that's gonna be pretty. And then there is a lip gloss here called Very Merry. And this is what it looks like. And I can go ahead and try it on. Let's see. So it looks like it's gonna be iridescent. It smells like peppermint. Ooh, y'all, my lips are pink. Yeah, it has a peppermint smell to it. No tingling though. It almost reminds me of like cause this is a lip gloss. It reminds me of not a lip filler, a lip plumper. So if you ever use like a lip plumper lip gloss, it typically has like this mint smell to it, and then it has a little tingling because that's what makes your lips plump. Now this is just a lip gloss, so it just has a peppermint smell to it. So I do like that. That's very interesting. And it's got that whole iridescent vibe going on. And I've never really tried iridescent lip gloss like that, but it's not bad. Like, it's just hints of pink in it, and so that's cute. I mean, that would probably be really cute on top of a nude lip. And it's got a nice thick consistency to it, like texture, so it's not like one of those lip glosses that feel like you have Vaseline or grease on your lips, or like you've been eating some fried chicken. It's nice and subtle, but it still gives you that shine. It still gives you the gloss, so that's good. Okay, so on to the second part. They sent over, or some nail stickers come with this as well. So if you're into nail art, if you do your own nails, they send you some stickers. It's different ones with like Snoopy and Peanut and the Snowman and different words and peppermints and all of that stuff on there. I mean, you got Snoopy's house and just ho ho ho, just different type of things on her, stockings and gloves and all of that. And then it came with some tweezers, 2-piece tweezer set. So it said, be as merry as Snoopy and bright as Woodstock with this 2-piece tweezer set, featuring both slant and point tip tweezers made with high quality stainless steel. This set delivers perfect brows and removes unwanted hairs with ease. And this is what it looks like. So it's really pretty. And they have, and so it's also, I don't know if you guys can tell that it's not just on the outside, like the decoration is not on the outside. It's actually on the on the tweezers as well. I don't want to tear this up, but I also, there we go. Y'all know I'm destructive sometimes. But see, it's actually on the tweezers as well. So I think that's neat. That's really neat. That's a nice touch. And then we have some eyelash curlers. And look at Snoopy over there in the corner. That's so cute to me. But these are eyelash curlers. Now, I don't really use eyelash curlers because my eyelashes are already long and already curled. So typically, I can just take a spoolie and brush them up and put my lashes on. But if you're somebody that struggles, like you have straight eyelashes or thin eyelashes, or your eyelashes don't really curl, they're not really tamed, an eyelash curler is perfect. And then we have some fingernail files. This is called Trim the Trees 3-piece nail set. This is what it looks like. And then down to my 2 favorite pieces. I saw these 2 pieces when I was swiping through the pictures, and I was like, I gotta have this box. This is what sold me on the box. I love the makeup portion of it, but this is what actually sold me on the box because this put me in the holiday spirit. So the 2 things that I'm going to be showing you guys, I gotta pull them both out at the same time because they go together. So this is Snoopy's Doghouse. And this is the sponge set, limited edition sponge set. And so this is actually the sponge case. So you put your sponges inside of here to keep them, to store them. And so I just thought that was so neat because you actually see Snoopy and Woodstock on here. And of course, you know, Snoopy is typically in the doghouse or on top of it, and Woodstock is not far behind. So I thought this was like the perfect combination. This was so cute. The moment I saw this little red house, I was like, I have to have this. Like, I gotta get this. If I don't get anything else, I gotta get this. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it out of here so for you guys to actually see it without, you know, destroying anything. So isn't that so cute? And it says Peanuts Wet n Well on the back of here. And you store your sponge on the inside of here. So it opens up like this, like so. You have your little breathable space down here as well. But, you know, you store your sponge inside of there. And so that's just adorable to me. And it just pops on and off, just like I just showed you guys. Stick your sponge in there, take your sponge out. So that is just the cutest thing. If this doesn't get you in the holiday spirit, you know, I don't know what it is. And then you have the sponges like I said, and let's see if we can pop this open as well. I haven't tried Wet n Wild sponges, and I don't even know if I'll actually use these because they're just so pretty. I don't know, but they are soft, very soft. I mean, like pillow soft. And I like that they have this round part and this flat part, because this flat part is really good for getting under the eye, and then you can use this round part or the butt part to blend in like your foundation or concealers if you like cream contour, you know. And then you can use this little one to contour your nose, but yeah, you can use this to like I said, contour your nose. And so this is very unique. and they're very soft. I've never tried Wet n Wild sponges. I've tried their brushes before. In fact, my first brush set that I had, my first good brush set, let's clear that up, because my first brush set that I had, I bought from Amazon, and it was trash, and the little brush, the bristles in the brush was coming out all on my face, and we're not gonna get into that story. But my first good brush set I had was from Wet n Wild. I bought it from Walmart, and so I've tried their brushes, but I hadn't tried their sponges. So, you know, I'm happy that I got this. I got to see what their sponges feel like, because that gives me the opportunity to go out and actually purchase some of their sponges. If you hadn't heard of Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild is a affordable brand. Actually, it's a drugstore brand. You can go to Walmart and purchase their products. You can go to actual drugstore like CVS or Walgreens and purchase their products. They are very, very, very affordable, very beginner friendly if you hadn't tried them before. If you guys are interested or want me to do a video on like Wet n Wild products, please comment down below and let me know, because they are one of the first brands that I actually, you know, started doing things with when I got into makeup. Like I said, they were my first good brush set. It was the first eyebrow pencil I had, the first lipsticks that I tried, the first blush that I tried. So, you know, even when I was getting into like trying to learn how to contour, I'm pretty sure I tried their cream contour first. So a lot of the products that I've tried came from Wet n Wild, so I can vouch that they are a good brand, especially as far as saving the coins. Because let's be real, who wants to go out and spend, you know, hundreds of dollars on makeup and you don't even know what you're doing with it? My opinion. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it helped lift your spirits. I hope that you guys are having a good holiday season. Comment down below and let me know how you guys are doing. How's the holidays going? Have you finished your Christmas shopping yet? Are you still Christmas shopping? You know, what are your plans? I hope that this season is treating you well. I hope that we remember what this season is for. 'Tis the season. He is the reason for the season. So I hope you guys keep that in mind, as well as spreading holiday cheer and just loving on your loved ones, because tomorrow is not promised. We only have today, so let's not take that for granted. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell while you edit. I'll be posting videos all this week, and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you for the support, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.